Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on euro currency. Well, actually, it's difficult to call the recent big price action in general action in September for euro currency as a positive. So today in the weekly report we have taken a look at the longer term picture as well. So if you take a look at the monthly chart, you will see that the September has become the bearish reversal candle, which theoretically, at least by the technical approach, it should show some continuation. And the bounce that we could get here might be temporal. So the same conclusion is coming based on also the dollar index. By taking a look at the daily chart, I will put this picture as approximately it could happen. I mean the pullback, following some harmony issues that we have. That's more visible on dollar index chart, but here it could happen something of that sort. So currently market has reached the extensions of the most recent retracement. Now it stands around 127, but I did not exclude the chance that it could drift and slide slightly lower to the 1618. So in fact that is an area between the 115.12, 115.97, 115.116 actually, where we need to keep an eye on a possible bullish pattern. So that pattern should not be very small on intraday charts. There should be more or less extended pattern. So it should not be just a bullish engulfing pattern on the hourly chart. It's obviously. So and this will be the first point where theoretically we could consider taking the long position. But to form the background for a more moderate pullback on the weekly chart, that in turn needs some patterns to be formed on a daily, and that provides the second possible setup for entry later within the few weeks maybe. So take a look potentially, since market forming the extension that is typical for the hand shoulders pattern, both of them are possible. It's 127 or 1618, but I still think that this really fast acceleration to the 127, chance that market will drop to the 1618 are significant. Anyway, we could get the head and shoulders, and if you calculate the potential ABCD pattern based on this pattern, I mean head and shoulders, using the same harmony, that leads us precisely to the 120 area that corresponds to the possible pullback on the dollar index, which also stands approximately around 50% level. So that's currently the scenario that we will be watching. Because based on the current price action, I do not see what something else could be formed. I do not suggest that there might be some free drive or something, but because market already stands at the support, so it means that the bounce should start somewhere from this area. And the only pattern that might be formed as a reversal here is the head and shoulders. So that's what we have currently on the daily chart. It means that on intraday charts in this area, we need to keep an eye on some more or less extended reversal pattern to take the long position. Currently, at this moment, I do not see it yet. So, for instance, on the hourly chart, you could see that something is forming like also the head and shoulders, but I think that it's not the pattern that we are searching for, because this is hourly chart, it is very small, and if even it will trigger some minor bounce here on Monday or this is not the pattern that we are searching for. If market will drop lower, and this will become just the left arm of the pattern, so for instance market shows some behavior here, then it's drop to the 1618 extension around 115 even, and then starts returning up, and this will be greater pattern. That might be the one that we are searching for, because this is of too small scale. So it is possible for scalp trading, you could trying to buy with it, trying to make some trade, but this is not the pattern that we are searching. This should be some greater pattern. That's what we in general have on the euro currency. In general, longer term perspective for the euro stands not as positive as maybe setups that we could get on the intraday charts, on the daily chart. because market currently stands definitely in some bearish motion, and overall sentiment in the market is not very positive. I mean, for the euro currency. But in the shorter term, within a few weeks, with watching for a bounce to the 120, well, in general, it might be some bullish patterns formed, and it could provide us few really nice trading setups on the coming weeks.